Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Ignite Spike Stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 2. So you would now repeat row 2 for a total of 4 rows. So I have row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4 all made in single crochet stitches in the same color. To start row 5, you're going to start with a new color and you're going to make 1 chain. This row is where we're going to bring in the spike stitches. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're ready to make our spike stitches. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Now you're going to move on to the next stitch, but you're going to go 1 stitch down. So not this next one right here, into this next one right here underneath it. You're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. All the way up here where you have your loops on your hook. Now you're going to insert your hook into the stitch underneath this one we were just working into. So it's going to be this one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, and then pull that loop all the way up to your other loops. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all of those loops to complete that spike stitch. Then you're going to make a chain to hold it all together. Now into the next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. And now we're going to start repeating. You're going to make the same spike stitch in these next stitches. Insert your hook into this next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Moving on to the next one, so you're going to move on to the next stitch but go underneath this next one. So it's going to be this one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Pull that loop up to where your other loops are. Then going into the stitch beneath this one we were just working into, so it's going to be this one right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, and pull that loop all the way up. Then yarn over, take that through all 4 loops, and then make a chain. Now make a single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to start repeating that by making spike stitches and then making single crochets. Once you run out of space to make spike stitches, you can just make one single crochet into each stitch until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 5 is looking. After your 5th row, or the spike row, you're then going to repeat row 2 for a total of 3 rows of single crochets. So altogether, to make this stitch, you're going to repeat row 2 for a total of 3 rows, and then repeat row 5, the spike row. And that is going to be how to make the Ignite spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.